Simple multiply for grade 3. We can write first 24 multiply by 4. This is a kind of vertical multiply. 4 multiply by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So 6 over here and 1 is on up. Now multiply by 4 into 2, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 4 and 1 equal to 9. This is answer. Now we move on question number 2. Again multiply 36 multiply by 3. First we will do write 36 multiply by 3. This is simple multiply, single digit multiply. We call now single digit multiply. 3 multiply by 6, 3 6 are 18. So we can write over here 8, 1 is on up. Now 3 multiply by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1. We can write now 10, 9 plus 1, 10. The answer is 108. This is our answer. Now the student, we move on question 3. Now we will do horizontal multiplication. We can do like this. 3 multiply 3 is equal to 3 threes are 9. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 6 multiply 5 is equal to 6 fives are 30. 3 0 30. This is called horizontal multiply. Thank you.